and it goes from the 10 freeway all the way down to Manchester, a little bit of Central Avenue, and our east-west borders are Western and Alameda. So we do actually represent South Los Angeles. And so I'm proud to be here because I'm also the chair of Public Safety number 5. That's the subcommittee that handles all of the highway patrol budget, Attorney General, money budget for the prisons. And so all the public safety money that comes down from the state goes to my committee. And I'm proud to say that this last year we gave $500 million so that the Sheriff's Department can do some rehabilitation to the beds that they have in their jails, and hopefully build some rehabilitative beds so that we can get more people out of the Sheriff's Station back into the community with us so they be rehabilitated. And so I put a lot of extra money so that you'll be able to do that. So for 500 beds. And I'm also glad that the community and the public safety officers are getting together, working together, because at the end of the day, that's how we're going to cure crime in not only in our community, but statewide. We have to be much more collaborative. You know, I'm a little older than a lot of you, and the joke used to be whenever you need an officer, you never fought an officer when you need one. Well, we know in our community, they're always here to help, and we just need to get you more resources so that you can be better at what you do. But more important, we've got to do our job. Right. We've got to get some of our family members who are on the edge, that just need a little more education, a little more schooling, a job, to be able to get back to their family, get off of drugs, give them some mental health. That's not their responsibility, that's our responsibility, and we've been lagging on it for quite some time. And so this year, I plan to be on budget so we get more money for that, so that we get those people away, so these guys can actually get rid of some bad guys. Right. And really, because prisons are made for those people, and we got a lot of beds for them, and we're going to make sure you guys are able to put them there. So it's our responsibility to get some of the people out of your way so you can get to the really hard cases. I also want to say, on the Baker to Vegas team, since you're part of my group and team, I'm going to go ahead and contribute $200 to this effort. Woo! The hard part is getting the check out of my treasury. We'll get it on you. Get with Derek Mims. He'll get my treasurer to cut the check on Monday so that you'll have it. But you know what that means. You got to win. Not to put on any pressure on anybody, especially people who are running.
Yeah. They look in good shape, don't worry.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do. But my office is over on Exposition, near the Coliseum. Matter of fact, I went to SC and on to Harvard, but a lot of it is because I was working with a lot of explorers, and I was involved in a lot of police work when I was young, when I was his age. Stayed in school, stayed on the state straight and narrow, stayed off of drugs, and stayed in those books. And I was able to go to USC and to Harvard. Now, if you do the same thing, young man, I can guarantee you $100,000 a year. Woo! As long as you understand science, technology, engineering, and math, I can guarantee you $100,000 a year job. Now, your mom and daddy will tell you. So I'm going to keep it short, but I want to just thank the community for coming together. I want to thank you for coming out and meeting with the community, because this is really important. The more we interact, the more we understand one another, the more we're going to make our community, not my community, this is not my district, this is our district. And I'm here to help. Anything you need, contact Derek Mims, and we'll do everything in our power to make it happen. So congratulations and thank you.
All right, thank you.